Hello kids, welcome to English Hub YAL Master. From today we are going to enjoy some good lessons in English where you can learn a lot how to write, how to read and how to speak in English. Right. Today as the lesson 1 I'm going to teach you all we are going to learn today how to use am, is, are when we are using English language. Now we say I am a girl. Now he is a boy. She is a teacher. They are my friends. Right? I am a girl. He is a boy. They are teachers. So when you say I, right? When you say I, we, right? You have to say I am a student because you are a student. Meanwhile, when you talk about somebody else, right? When you talk about somebody else, when you are going to talk about your father, your friend, your sister, you can use is. My mother is, my father is, my teacher is. Same way are, right? When we are using are, it should be plural. Plural, right? Plural means panmai, right? Plural. We should have lots of things, isn't it? So they are, my friends are, my sisters are, right? My cats are. So as it is, we have to use am, is, are. So I have given some examples here. I am a girl. He is a boy. We are friends. They are students. My friends are active. Right? I am a girl. He is a boy. We are friends. They are students. My friends are active. Okay, so today we have learned am, is, are in English. You can see these lovely mushrooms, right? Am, I am. He is. She is. It is. We are. You are. They are. I hope you all understood the lesson for the day. We'll meet again with another lesson. If you understand, please comment with three sentences using am, is, are. Thank you.